Imagine being born into a world where every moment is a test of your strength, your instincts, and your will to survive. From the very first breath, wild animals face a reality far harsher than most of us can imagine. There are no safety nets, no second chances, just the raw, untamed forces of nature all around them. Now picture what it's like when your own natural abilities seem to work against you. Some creatures are born with traits that make life even more challenging. Awkward movements, unusual appearances, or physical limitations that set them apart from the rest of their kind. These features can make them stand out to predators, turning them into easy targets. Every day becomes a struggle, as they must constantly stay alert, outsmart threats, and find creative ways to avoid danger. For some, even the simple act of moving through their environment is a challenge. Yet, against all odds, these remarkable creatures persist. Through incredible adaptation, sheer luck, and sometimes the unexpected kindness of humans, they manage to carve out a place for themselves in the wild. Their stories are a testament to the power of perseverance. They may lack the speed of a cheetah, the strength of a lion, or the cunning of a fox, but what they do have is an unmatched determination to keep going. Their will to survive pushes them to climb higher, dig deeper, and never give up, no matter how tough things get. In the harshest conditions, whether it's freezing cold, scorching heat, or the constant threat of predators, these animals show us that resilience can be just as important as raw power. Their ability to endure and adapt is truly inspiring. Today we're counting down 10 unique animals that nature seemed to treat unfairly, but who have found extraordinary ways to survive and thrive. Their journeys remind us that sometimes, the greatest strength lies in simply refusing to give up. Let's begin. Deep in the ancient, misty forests of New Zealand, a remarkable bird shuffles quietly through the undergrowth. This is the kakapo, a parrot unlike any other in the world. Unlike its colorful, airborne cousins, the kakapo cannot fly. Instead, it moves with a slow, deliberate waddle, blending into the shadows of the forest floor as it searches for food and safety. The kakapo's large, heavy body and tiny, almost comical wings were once its greatest assets. For millions of years, these features kept it safe from danger, as there were no land predators in its island home. But everything changed when humans arrived, bringing with them new threats. Predators like cats, rats, and stoats that the kakapo had never encountered before and could not escape from. The kakapo's main defense was to freeze in place, becoming almost invisible among the leaves and moss. This clever trick worked well against birds of prey, but it was useless against the keen noses of cats and stoats. As these predators spread, the kakapo's numbers plummeted, and the species teetered on the brink of extinction. In a race against time, conservationists launched an ambitious rescue mission. Every surviving kakapo was carefully tracked down and relocated to remote, predator-free islands. These sanctuaries became the last hope for the species, offering a safe haven where the birds could live and breed without fear. Each kakapo chick is a tiny miracle. Breeding is rare and slow, with females only laying eggs every few years, and only when certain native fruits are abundant. Conservationists monitor every nest, hand-feed chicks when needed, and celebrate each new arrival as a precious victory. The kakapo's story is a powerful reminder that survival sometimes depends on a helping hand. Dedicated teams work around the clock, using technology and care to give these birds a fighting chance. The resilience of the kakapo, combined with the unwavering dedication of its protectors, proves that hope can blossom even in the darkest places. Against all odds, the kakapo endures. Today, the world's rarest parrot continues to shuffle on, a living symbol of perseverance, adaptation, and the extraordinary impact of human compassion. High in the lush green canopies of Central and South America, a remarkable creature moves with a pace that seems almost dreamlike. The sloth, famous for its unhurried lifestyle, glides through the branches with deliberate slowness, each movement carefully measured and never rushed. Its slow-motion journey through the treetops is a testament to its unique way of life, perfectly adapted to the dense rainforest environment. On the ground, however, the sloth's weaknesses become apparent. Its muscles are not built for speed or strength, and its metabolism is among the slowest in the animal kingdom. This makes it especially vulnerable to predators when it leaves the safety of the trees. Every step is a struggle, and danger lurks with every movement. But the sloth has evolved a clever defense. Its shaggy fur is home to green algae, which gives it a natural camouflage. Blending seamlessly with the leaves and moss, the sloth becomes nearly invisible to predators searching the canopy for their next meal. Once a week, driven by instinct, the sloth risks everything to descend from its leafy sanctuary. It slowly makes its way down the trunk to the forest floor, where it will defecate and, in doing so, fertilize the soil and support the ecosystem. This journey is perilous, but essential for the forest's health. The sloth's famously slow pace is not a flaw, but a brilliant adaptation to its low-energy diet of tough, fibrous leaves. By moving slowly and conserving energy, the sloth thrives on food that would leave most animals exhausted and hungry. Remaining motionless for hours, the sloth becomes part of the forest itself. Its stillness and camouflage allow it to avoid detection, surviving where faster, more conspicuous animals might fall prey. In the world of the sloth, patience and stillness are not just virtues, they are the very keys to survival. By embracing a life of quiet persistence, the sloth endures, a true master of slow survival in the heart of the rainforest. In China's mountain forests, the giant panda survives on a diet of bamboo, nutrient-poor and hard to digest. To get enough energy, pandas eat for up to 14 hours a day. Their digestive system, built for meat, struggles with bamboo, making life a constant challenge. Raising tiny, helpless cubs is even harder with so little energy to spare. Yet through determination and conservation, pandas are slowly recovering. Their struggle is a testament to adaptation, even when evolution seems unkind. Each panda is a symbol of survival against the odds. In New Zealand's forests, the kiwi emerges at night, utterly unable to fly. It faces constant threats from introduced predators and must lay an enormous egg, draining its energy. The chick is independent early, but survival is perilous. The kiwi's sense of smell and camouflaged feathers help, but only so much. Conservation efforts like predator-proof sanctuaries have stabilized populations. The kiwi's continued existence is miraculous, a cherished symbol of New Zealand's wildlife. Against overwhelming odds, it endures. In the Arctic's icy waters, the narwhal swims beneath the ice, its long tusk both a marvel and a burden. The tusk's true purpose is still debated, but it makes the narwhal more conspicuous and vulnerable. Navigating shrinking sea ice and avoiding predators is a daily struggle, yet the narwhal's diving skills and social nature help it survive. Its story reminds us that being different can be both a gift and a curse. Survival depends on adapting to a changing world. In Mexico's ancient lakes, the axolotl remains forever juvenile, never fully transforming into adulthood. This grants it the power to regenerate limbs and even parts of its heart and brain. But the axolotl is highly sensitive to pollution and habitat loss, now surviving mostly in captivity. Despite its superpowers, it's critically endangered in the wild. Scientists study axolotls for clues to regeneration, hoping to benefit humans. The axolotl is a living relic, resilient, yet at the mercy of a changing world. Its survival is a beacon of hope. In tropical oceans, the mantis shrimp packs a punch as fast as a bullet, shattering shells with ease. Its powerful limbs are delicate and prone to injury, a risky trade-off. Its complex eyes see a spectrum beyond human vision, but require a specific environment. Hunting and defending territory draws attention from predators and collectors alike. Despite these risks, the mantis shrimp thrives in coral reefs. Its aggression and unique adaptations carve out a niche few can match. The mantis shrimp shows that power comes with vulnerability. In eastern Australia's rivers, the platypus glides, a creature assembled from spare parts. It lays eggs, suckles its young, and the male has venomous spurs. Its odd traits present real challenges, finding secure burrows and constant foraging. Yet, its electroreceptive bill makes it a master hunter in muddy waters. Habitat loss and pollution threaten its survival, and low reproduction leaves it vulnerable. The platypus endures as a symbol of life's unpredictability. Sometimes, the most unusual creatures are the best survivors. In Madagascar's rainforests, the aye-aye searches for grubs with its skeletal finger. Its bizarre looks have made it a target of superstition and persecution. Yet, its unique feeding strategy lets it access food few others can. Habitat destruction and misunderstanding threaten its survival. Still, the aye-aye adapts, finding food in fragmented forests. Conservationists work to protect it and educate communities. The aye-aye's resilience proves strength can be found in uniqueness. Deep beneath East Africa, the naked mole rat tunnels through darkness, nearly blind, hairless, and unable to regulate its temperature. These weaknesses hide extraordinary adaptations, cooperative colonies, resistance to pain and cancer, and survival with little oxygen. Their biology fascinates scientists, offering hope for human medicine. In the wild, they thrive where almost nothing else can. Despite every disadvantage, the naked mole rat endures. It's the ultimate underdog, a reminder that nature's outcasts can become its greatest survivors. Through cooperation and adaptation, it conquers a harsh world. Nature isn't always fair. Some animals must struggle against impossible odds, yet every creature here proves survival isn't just about power or speed, but adaptation and persistence. From the flightless kakapo to the naked mole rat, these animals have found extraordinary ways to survive. Their stories remind us that the most unusual adaptations can become keys to success. Which animal surprised you most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing wildlife stories. Thanks for watching.